Welcome to Interview Talks.
Hello guys, today I am discuss job in Accenture company. 2019 to 2021 batch freshers from any graduate are eligible this drive. In this video, I am discuss about how to fill application form. This is one of the good opportunity who have to get a job in Accenture. Before go to discuss, if anyone still not to apply off-campus jobs, I am provide the registration links in description. If you are preparing for interviews in top companies, check interview video links in description. For more updates about off-campus jobs and interviews, subscribe our channel. Let's start the discussion. Click on CAPTCHA. Let's discuss the job description. The company assigned role to students is associative software engineer. What would you do? The responsibility is assigned company to you. Design, build, test, assemble, support, and configure application using business requirements. Understand business drivers that will impact performance and deliver software to choose expectations. Bake technology trends into solutions. Participate in the development of automation solutions, new functionalities and technologies, and integrate them in existing solutions. What would love you to have? Ability to anticipate and resolve business issue with agility, multidisciplinary and versatile with aptitude to learn and apply new skills faster. The person must be good in communication skills, deliver code to time and quality expectations, and participate in peer interviews, flexible to relocate for any location to any part of India and work in 24/7 shift basis business requirement. If you are good in these skills, you would be preferred. Basic understanding on ABAP development on HANA, CDS, AMDP, performance analysis. Experience and knowledge in configuration, customization of Salesforce.com applications. Good working knowledge in J2, EE and full stack development. Knowledge and development experience of .NET. If you are good in any of these skills, your chances are more to be selected. Let's start. How to fill application form. How did you find out about this job? If you get this information from YouTube, you should click on social media and advertisement. After, you should fill details, gender, first name and last name as mentioned in your PAN card, university roll number, working email ID and contact number. If you are willing to get messages through WhatsApp, you should click on yes, I consent. Otherwise, no. Date of birth, current location, highest education profile. If you are from BTech, you should choose undergraduate. If you are from MTech or ME, choose postgraduate. Personal details. If you are already working in any company, you should mention your work experience and company. Otherwise, choose no experience. Do you have any offer in hand? Choose no. If selected, how much time would you require to join? If you are selected to this company, how much time you required? You should choose based on your availability. Primary skills: Android, ASP.NET, Adobe, Automation, C++ programming language, Cloud, Data Center, Functional Test Planning, Hadoop, Java. If you are good in any of these skills, you should choose. Certification details: Programming in C, ASP.NET. If you are completed any of these certifications, you should choose. Have you done any course in foreign language? If yes, then choose. Otherwise, no. Preferred job locations. You would choose 3 different locations based on your wish. Bangalore, Cluster 1, Cluster 2, Chennai, Gurugram, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune, Cluster 1 and 2. Other details: if you have gap in education, you should choose. Otherwise, choose no gap. Have you worked in Accenture before? If you already work in Accenture company, you should choose yes. Otherwise, no. Standing backlogs. Have you appeared for an assessment or interview process for Accenture in last 3 months? You are not eligible this tribe. Are you an Indian citizen? You should choose Indian. After fill all details, you should attach your resume, passport size photograph, college ID card, and government ID proof. Government ID proof must be PAN card. Upload a photograph size passport should be latest, so not older than 2 months. After fill all details, you should accept privacy and policy. Later, you should click on submit. You are notified by company will soon. For more updates about off-campus jobs and interviews, subscribe our channel. Thank you.